What do you think about these? What do you think about these drop leaf tables? I like them, but I don't like the fact that they're so low. Needs to come up a little bit. That's an unusual piece. Hmm. Unusual piece. Oh, probably for built in. So that's 1850, but I could go in the kitchen. Like a little corner piece. That's unique. Some of these items can get pricey because whatever is that's unique. Book table. So the price $400. Yeah, some of it could get pricey because what is valuable to one person may not be as valuable to another. I can deal with a table this height, but smaller than that. And then I have a project to redo a clawfoot table. But I mean, yeah, not clawfoot. I keep saying clawfoot. Drop leaf table. But I want to make sure it's not so low to the ground. You know. I like this. That's unique and that's cute. Let's see how much this is. $5.95. It was $7.95. It's a unique piece. Very unique piece. Oh, this would be so unique. Oh wow, that's cute. They did a lot of records. $400. If it still worked, that would be unique to put in somewhere. I like these chairs, but they're too low to the ground. I think I saw those. Oh, this may work for the outside shutters that I need. Hmm, it just may work. I don't know if I'm gonna push shutters on the outside, but they're a little larger than what I need, but I don't know. I don't want to jump the gun on so much. I love this table. I don't like the color, but I like the table. You could go through here, and this is a beautiful jewelry box. And they've painted it, but some of this stuff you can come in and restain. I wished I could find that those windows. Look at that, like that table. It's so nice.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Good. Oh, sure for
What's that
30%.
tomorrow?
Oh, it starts tomorrow?
7 o'clock tomorrow, yes, ma'am.
30% sale. Oh, wow. Oh, that's unique.
Yeah.
Any booth where the sign drop starts today.
Till 9/4.
The sun.
Is that on everything or just?
No, no, only this booth. Different.
Oh, different booths. Okay, okay. Oh, wow, that's a good thing. 30% off. Hey, look at this. Guys, you may see somebody.
Ma'am,
Look at this store. Uh-huh.
I was gonna show you so like in this booth, everything is on sale.
Uh-huh.
If you see one that says excludes, then it's not gonna include the firms and ones that have already been marked down.
Oh, okay.
Generally is gonna be like in this booth,
Yeah.
like that wouldn't get discounted anymore.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Somebody can come get this store. Look at that. It was $2,700. $2,795. It's now $1,900. This is absolutely beautiful, and it's in the encasement. Oh, this is so beautiful. Let you get a full view of this. Let's go up here. Come down. You see that? That's beautiful. Looks kind of like Dracula a little bit, but it is beautiful. This fireplace. $365. This whole entire setup. Okay. See, this is pretty, but that's a little too old for me. That's a little too antique-y. And that mirror look like a replica of the antique, and that's, yeah, I'd have to do something with that. I like this table, ottoman. You can work on that. I gotta get to the house. So I may have to go. We may have to come back and look at some things. That's a nice drop leaf table. My table's kind of like that. So I guess it'll be okay. But it's kind of like that. Alright guys, we're going to end this video. And I'll come to you with hauls. I order stuff all the time. So I'll do like a shopping haul or whatever. But as always, I have my God. I have my Bible. And I have my gun. Until next time, Donna Lisa with Zoodle Info, signing out. We're gonna sign out. They must have put the junk back over this way because I don't see anything of interest. I like this right here. What is that? 350. That's nice. All right, guys. Until next time, signing out.